So it's been a very busy morning. We already did one hike. Now we're gonna jump into another hike because we gotta get close to that waterfall. What do you think, Em?
I think that's a lot.
Yeah, she just energized with some ice cream. Pretty fun, easy trail. So far, so good.
Lots of space.
Staying at the shade, there's plenty of space here. You don't have to worry about like people getting that creepy close to you. We don't know until the end. We'll tell you. We'll show you by the video footage. But so far, so good. Meryl's seen a couple of chipmunks just try to call him over to the dark side of the forest. But so far, so good. So intense day today. A lot of stuff done today. Super excited. I think on the way back we might do the rocks, the river rocks, but the sun is just like beaming versus this beautiful canopy. So we'll take a look at that later, see how that goes. But great for families and great for any person in a wheelchair. They'll have easy in and out access without any problems. That's where we're looking out from. All right, easy trek, easy trail, wasn't so hard. Literally 3/4 of a mile. Anyone can do it. If you got a wheelchair, you got a stroller, you can get your kids over here. The only thing we recommend is don't get them inside the actual rocky area for the river. All right, guys, let's head back out and let's get out of the trail.
Can we remove it?
All right, so we're about to look at our last stop of the entire trip, Ithaca Falls. Mary, how do you feel so far?
I feel good, but a little sore.
A little sore because we did a lot of stuff. We did a lot of stuff yesterday.
We did 2 falls.
Two falls in one day. Well, actually, we did the gorge, Watkins Glenn gorge, and then we ended up doing one more falls at the end. So now Ithaca Falls, and then we're gonna start heading back home to New York City. All right, let's go take a look. Can you guys hear that? That's the rapids of the water coming down from Ithaca Falls. Mariel's somewhere in the back over there. She's looking for some more crawfishes. She picked up some baby crawfish. There's gonna be a section of the video where I'm gonna show you the little crawfish that she actually found. Where's Mariel? There she goes. So Mariel found some crawfish. Looks like they were dinner. Their insides are gone. Pretty cool.
Oh, here's another one.
Got him?
The little one.
What you got in your hands?
A little baby crawfish.
Baby crawfish.
Look at his little.
Hold on, let me focus on him. Wow.
He thinks he's dinner.
He's got that one claw out like he's gonna do some damage.
He might if he knows what to bite.
Okay, let's put him back in. And lo and behold, the beauty of Ithaca Falls. Still on the hunt for more crawfish. Crawfish hunter Mario Perez. Another mission. So this is our last falls of the trip. We completed Ithaca Falls. If you take a look at it, you can see how spectacular it is. Very blessed weekend. Got to see a lot of stuff. I want you to look also at the gorge rocks. Done with the waterfalls, but we're in Ithaca, and right next to Cornell there's Triphammer, and it's time to go take a look at Triphammer. Let's go. Welcome to Triphammer. Oh my God, look how beautiful. Watching, and please don't forget to click on subscribe if you like our videos, and also click on that bell for the latest and greatest notifications. Thank you.